If you struggle with stairs going up or down, there's really only 3 exercises that you need to do to make them easy again. And if you use the 2 tricks that I'm going to show you, you can notice a big difference within a few weeks. So let's check them out. As we get older, 3 things happen that make stairs hard. We lose our strength, our ability to move our centre of gravity reduces, and our sense of balance suffers. These 3 exercises address all 3 things, and they're really quick and easy to do. For exercise 1, we do a basic step up, but we make a few very important modifications. You can do this on the bottom of some stairs or using a stable portable step with a wall or handrail to steady yourself if you feel a bit unstable. Firstly, before you step up, tilt your torso forward at the hip. Then step up and lift your opposite knee to horizontal if you can. And finally, lower down slowly again and repeat. So it's tilt at the hip, lift quickly, raising the other knee, and then lower back down slowly. Why tilt forward at the hips first? Well, this is trick or key number 1. This brings our centre of gravity forward, making it easier and safer. It brings the glutes into action more rather than just relying on our quads. And bending at the hip rather than tilting forward from the feet reduces knee pain because our knee bends less with less weight on it. And why move up quickly but then down really slowly? Well, this is key number 2. Moving up quickly promotes muscle power, which gives us the momentum to drive upstairs. And moving down slowly improves the strength of muscles more than anything else, and it does wonders for our balance. Repeat this motion until light fatigue, then do it with the other leg. Do 2 sets each side 3 times a week. And here's some tips. Make sure that you steady yourself with a handrail or the wall to be safe. If it's a bit hard, choose a smaller step height to begin with, and don't lift the other leg so high. And over time, add a weight to your other hand if you can. Research shows that making the exercise harder over time is the key to strengthen muscles that weaken due to age. Exercise 2 is just like exercise 1, but moving down. Here, keep your weight back a bit, just for safety. Step down slowly, making sure that your knee bends over your toes, not to one side. And then shift your body weight forward onto the bottom foot and return more quickly. Do 2 sets to light fatigue on both sides 3 times a week. Again, steady yourself with a handrail or wall. Make the step a bit lower if it's hard. And as with the first exercise, over time add a weight if you can, because the research shows how much more effective adding a weight can be for age-weakened muscles. If you have arthritis in your knees and they hurt a little bit, just make sure that you keep the pain level less than 3 out of 10. A bit of exercise is good for the cartilage, especially if you build it up slowly, but too much is not a good idea. You can watch my video on cartilage regrowth and exercise to learn more about that. In exercise 3, we focus more on the muscles in our hips and moving our centre of gravity from side to side, which increases our stability. And we do this by stepping down and up to the side. Here, step down slowly, steadying yourself with a wall or handrail, and then step up more quickly and repeat. Just make sure that you keep your body upright though, not tilted to one side. Moving down slowly is the best way to strengthen our outer gluteal muscles and improve balance. Moving up quicker builds that muscle power. Do 2 sets to light fatigue on both sides 3 times a week. Just remember not to do too much the first day because this is going to be a big workout for those stair climbing muscles. Maybe just do 1 set the first day and see how you go. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing because it always really helps. Okay? Cheers.